What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this annoying glitch where your monitor says there is no signal when you've got everything connected properly. So make sure you guys watch this video to the end if you want to find out how to fix the monitor no signal glitch. But of course guys, yes, I've got my PC right there properly connected to my monitor, but of course guys, it says it is searching for signal and it can't find signal. So make sure you guys watch this video to the end if you want to find out how to actually fix this very annoying glitch. Of course guys, basically there's two steps of what you need to do to actually fix this. Of course guys, the first one is to make sure all your cables are actually connected properly. Of course guys, one of the biggest causes about why your computer guys or console signal is not actually showing on your monitor is because the cables are not connected properly. Of course guys, in the past I've literally thought my monitor was broken, but then guys, I checked the cable and it turned out the cable just wasn't connected properly. How crazy is that? So of course guys, the first thing you need to do if you're having no signal like this is to actually check that your cable is connected properly. So of course guys, if we go under my monitor right here guys, I've got the power cable right here as you guys can see, and that is firmly connected, and then I've got my HDMI cable right there guys, and that is firmly connected. But of course guys, now let's come to my PC and check that the HDMI is firmly connected guys. Of course, it might be a little blurry for you guys, but yes, the HDMI is firmly connected. But of course guys, if we try again, there is still no signal on my TV. On my monitor guys, sorry. So of course, yes guys, the first fix is to make sure all your cables are actually connected properly. Of course guys, after that, what you're going to want to actually do is reset your monitor at the power point. So of course guys, my power point is going to be down here, and of course guys, yes, if we actually do go ahead guys and reset it right now guys, so turn it on and off and back on guys, and boom, just like that. That is another way guys to actually see if it works. And of course guys, now let's actually see if the glitch is going to continue or if it's going to work guys. Let's turn it off guys, and now let's see if that actually worked in 3, 2, 1, and let's see guys, moment of truth. No way guys, it actually worked, and take a look, my monitor is now working again, and of course guys, it's displaying my PC screen. So of course guys, basically what you want to do is step number 1, check your cable is connected properly guys, and of course after that what you want to do is just turn it off and on the wall guys, and after that it should fix any issues with your monitor not working. So of course guys, try those, and if it works, make sure to drop a like and subscribe.